I'm really struggling to answer your questions lately, simply because there's this new system called Plus Google or Google Plus or something of that sort, and it really changed everything. If whatever question that is left there was not sent through with that specific system, it doesn't seem to give me the opportunity or the option to answer your questions. So what I would advise you to do is, if your question is something that you really wanted me to answer, please do so via Facebook or my blog. This is going to be so much easier for me. Right now, I cannot answer anything. I've tried it a couple of times, and it's either I am very new to this thing and didn't figure it out yet. If anybody knows how to do it, let me know in the comment section. So take care, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Please, like I said, don't forget, just leave your comments on Facebook or on my blog. I will get back to you. Thanks for now. Bye.